Hi and welcome to another episode of Random Thoughts, the place where your dreams come true. Hi guys, DruggedChicken here and welcome to another episode of Random Thoughts. Now in this episode I will be answering your question that you sent me on my Facebook page. Now let's begin. Did you be in most top 100 subscribed channels? No, I'm not in the top 100 subscribed channels. No, I'm not there. I'm pretty far away from that goal. Nope. So the answer is no. What would you do if you found out that I'm a pate dealer? Well, let's just say that I'm gonna make an offer you can't refuse. Do you have a pet as Milan? Well, if you consider parrots and fish like pets, then yes, I do have pets. Yeah, you can say so. What's your favorite song? Damon Albarn, The Selfish Giant. Link is down in the description. Check it out, everyone. It's an amazing song. Just go check it out. Would you marry me? Absolutely. What's your favorite video game? I don't play games. Nope. What's your favorite football player? Louis Tomlinson. What came first, the chicken or the egg? The chicken, definitely. Get a problem with that? When have you started recording for YouTube? I started recording for YouTube in 2009. If you were an animal, which one would you be? Well, I don't know much about animals, but if you meant animals, I would be a pony. Do you respect all people? Yes, I respect all people. Have you ever took a shower while you were naked? Not even once. Pate or YouTube? Real life? What do you think about Yasserstein? He's a moron. What do you do when you're not doing anything? This? Who are you rooting for in the World Cup? I'm rooting for Germany because I have this special feel. I think they will win this time. Yeah, actually, I think they have like big chances to win this World Cup. Yeah, so I'm rooting for Germany. If you had a band, what would the name be? Bunch of idiots. Are you and Cile some kind of family? Or you just like to hang out together in Yasserstein's videos? We're brothers. Didn't know that. Did you train something? Well, let's see. Swimming, basketball, handball, football, gym. Nope, nothing, nope. Have you ever been on countryside or in village? Not including games. Well, you know what? I kind of have a life, so the answer is yes. I have been to countryside and in village, yes. Is Gamer Saklisa your best friend? No, he's my worst enemy. What is the worst thing that you did in your life? Well, this is not really the worst thing that I did in my life, but it's really the most interesting worst thing that I did in my life, so here goes. Back in 2012, I went with my school to Italy, with my school choir to a festival. And of course, like every evening, we hanged out with each other in our hotel rooms. And one evening, we did a lot of stuff. We went through the whole hotel, which was huge, and it was getting quite early because it was like 4 AM, 5 AM in the morning. And like I said to myself, like, what the heck, I won't sleep at all, because I thought if I slept, then I would be sleepy, because I would be sleeping for only 2 or 3 hours, because we had to wake up really early next morning. But no, that's not what happened. I actually was even more sleepier than I ever could have imagined. The next day I was so sleepy I slept in a toilet in the school. I slept in a bus, like it was a 15-minute bus ride, and I managed to fall asleep there, and in a church, so I fell asleep like 3 times. So the conclusion is, the moral of the story is, sleep whenever, please. Just not sleeping is not a good idea. That's one of the worst decisions I have ever made. Yeah. What do you think about gays? I respect them. How old are you? I'm 35. If a movie is ever to be made about your life, what would the title be? A very interesting story of a very interesting guy. Yeah. What would you do if Yasserstein as the group died? Well, I would finally become a free man. I won't be obliged to make these stupid videos, and I could do whatever I want. So that's a great thing. Have you ever been in a meeting with the African lion in the middle of Russia? Yeah, like million times. Who is your favorite singer or band, and do you have an idol? My favorite singer is Damon Albarn. I don't have an idol. Will you ever come to Leskovec? No. Which is your best video so far? Piano stop motion, link down in the description. Everyone check out, it's my best video and I take most pride in that video. Piano stop motion, link down in the description. What are you doing now? Answering your time-wasting question. How do you see yourself in future? In a tuxedo. I often see your shots from Poland or the Czech Republic. Well, if you have seen the shots from Czech Republic on my channel, that probably means you're some kind of a wizard, because none of my videos were ever shot in Czech Republic. None of them. What is your favorite movie/TV show? Breaking Bad. Hey yo, Mr. White! Why don't you like Skrillex? He gives dubstep a bad name. Do you listen to One Direction? No. How did you meet Jasper Stein? YouTube is a hell of a drug. Do you really watch unicorns? Yes. Did you have a girlfriend? Well, I did. Past tense. Why? Well, I don't know. Okay, that's it. Bye.